So today we are going to see the post APIs in the Wiremock, how we can map the post APIs. So for that, first I'll create a one sample project like employee. Okay. Employee is my project for the post API, and I just copy the Docker Compose file from the existing project. Okay, I just copied, and here I'm going to do some modifications. So what are the modifications in the sense like here I have mentioned the container name. So instead of container hello world, I'm going to just mention it as employee. That's it. So the image will be the same, port will be 8080, that is same. Even the values, the file directory is also same. The command we have to give the response templating if you are using a templating in the response. That's it in the Docker Compose file. So we'll just run it to create the directory by default. Okay, just open the command line Docker Compose up. You can see there the directory is created and the Wiremock is running 8080. Now we'll start the Wiremock. What we'll do, we go to the JSON mappings. So here I create a JSON file, that is employee JSON. Let's take it as employee. Okay, employee JSON. Yes. Okay, inside this what I'm going to do. So you can see in the previous section we have stubbed a single requesters in the JSON file. So if you are going to do multiple requests in the same JSON file, we have to do an array for a multiple. So for that we have to specify the keys mappings. In array we have to give our request. I mean whatever we want to stub, that requests we have to give. Okay, so here I give a request. URL is let me take it as employee. Okay, employee, and the method is post. This is what we are going to give. If you are giving a post, we have to give a body, right? So body patterns, that is what the request body for the map. So inside the body patterns, what we have to match here in the sense for matching it. So Wiremock have a two types of matching. So one is with equaling that entire JSON object. We can equal it using the JSON what equal to JSON. Yeah, equal to JSON we have to give. So in this double quotation, what will give equal to JSON. So here in the equal to JSON, what we are going to give, we are going to give a like employee will be having a name. So name, let's consider as like somewhere kind of thing. Okay, and the email. So obviously and the name and the email will be there for every employee. So let's take it as test.com. Okay, so this we have given. So what we'll do, we'll just save it. Okay, so this is the equal to JSON that we are going to match it in the request. So after the request we are going to give a response. In the response we have to give a status as 200, and the message whatever we have to return as a body, response body. For that, if you are giving a JSON, then we have to use a JSON body. Okay, inside that message success, that's it. Okay, this is just a simple one request. We just check this out, then we'll go with the multiple stubbings. Okay, so what I'll do, I just run the docker compose again. Okay, okay, the mistake what we have done here is actually the body pattern should be array. It's array, so that's why we are getting that issue. Okay, now we'll try it out. Yeah, the server is started. So let's go and check the mappings API. Okay, yeah, here we go. So we have the mapping. So what we'll do, we just hit a post API localhost 8080/employee. Okay, and this should be post. In the body we are going to give a JSON. In the JSON, what we have given there, name as somewhere, email is samvet@gmail.com. okay, this is what we have stubbed there. Okay, but we are getting an error, says the body does not match. So what is the issue here? The URL is correct, the name it is samvet, email is same, gmail samvet.gmail.com, samvet@gmail.com. you can see here, whatever we have stubbed, the S is capital, it's uppercase, but whatever we have given in the request, it is small. Because of that, it was not able to match it. Okay, so we'll do control S. Now we got success. So this is how it will work, the Wiremock will work. Okay, you can see the error even in the log, in the command line log. Okay, so now you have seen here actually like how the Wiremock is working. So equal to JSON in the sense, whatever you are giving in the request body, it should be matched to whatever you are sending when you are calling this when you are calling this. Okay, API. So if even as case sensitive is matter for this, actually the Wiremock is matter. So that's why if this is matches, we'll get the stubbed response whatever we have done. If it is not match, then it will not send, it will send it as 404. okay, that's what we have seen, right? So if we do like something different, test or something, if we do test or something and we hit it, so we are getting 404, and let's say body does not match. Okay, this is how it will come. Okay, thanks for watching this video. In the next video, we'll check like how we can check the request body with a null characters kind of thing. See you in the next lesson. Thank you.